flywheel weight don't fit with the new cover.
Oh, crap. Good morning, DBF family. So it's another great day here in the garage, and today we are actually gonna put Jed's KX500 broke to built contest bike together. Well, we're gonna start assembling this bike for the final time. So if you guys haven't already, do me a favor and go on over to Instagram. I believe he is actually on Facebook also, and pretty much all of your social media platforms. And go follow the Broke to Built 2023 contest, because here coming up pretty quick, it's going to be turned over to you guys to where the fans can vote. And hopefully we make it that far through the brackets, but I don't know. If we make it that far, I'm going to count on you guys to go in and vote for us so we can try to win this thing with Jed's KX500. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get Paul's bike pulled off the lift, and we're gonna get Jed's KX500 in here, and we're gonna start assembling this thing. So let's get after it. We got Jed over here, and we're gonna do some cleaning up. Say hi, Jed.
Good morning.
Good morning. Look, we're twinners. We wear the same shirt today. Yeah, we didn't plan that, I swear. Anyway, so this is where we're starting at today. So Jed's been doing a ton of time polishing all the aluminum on this thing, and it leaves, you know, black crap from the, you know, all the polishing compound and stuff. So we're going to take a combination of simple green, some brushes, and a whole bunch of other stuff, probably more glass cleaner than anything. Anyways, we're going to get these parts cleaned up, and we'll start installing the motor and putting parts on this thing for the last time.
Finally. Exciting day.
It is an exciting day.
How many months has it been now?
I think we started this project the weekend of Thanksgiving.
Was it that weekend?
I think so. So it's been a minute. I got none of the time.
Look like fab.
Yup.
It's good. Chili and ice cream mixed together.
You like that one, didn't you? It keeps hot things hot and cold things cold, Jed.
I use chili and ice cream.
Chili ice cream.
This is how I know Kev loves me.
Yes.
He washes my bike for me.
So shiny. It's way too nice to go throw in the dirt. But we're gonna anyhow.
She's gonna get used.
Oh. I plan on at least throwing it down a hill once.
Might be kind of depressing, but it's gonna be fun at the same time.
Build them to ride them, not just look to look pretty. They can do both. Very mirror-ish. I like it. Let's go bolt parts on.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right, what's going on, Kev?
So, swing arm bone or this fork, or I don't know, this piece right here, rear shock bone.
Lift kit.
Lift kit. I am gonna polish this thing up just because it's not bad, it's not terribly dirty, but I figured, you know, as clean as the rest of the frame is before we put it on, why wouldn't we? So I'm actually using this wheel from Prime. These are pretty cheap. I can't remember how much they are, but they work really good on aluminum, cleaning stuff like that up. So that's what I'm doing here. And then you're over there, show them what you're doing over there.
I am just getting the swing arm cleaned up and ready to go to put on before we put the motor in.
Wash and cleaning. Okay, Jed says it's time to put the motor in this thing for the last and final time. So he's gone ahead and actually taped up the edge of the frame a little bit, as you can see there, just to kind of help protect from bumping into it and messing up a little bit of the finish work.
Extensive polish job.
Extensive polish job, he says. So we're gonna slap that and schmear. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm ready. Go. Big old motor. Watch your flanges. Well, that was way easier that time than it's been in the past.
Been in a long time.
Yeah. All right, we got the motor all mounted up. It's looking pretty good in there, I think. I'm kind of excited about that, Jedediah. It's pretty.
I'm more than excited.
Pretty shiny. What are you building there, Jed?
Putting a heavier flywheel on this thing.
Get a little more smoother transition from bottom end to top end, back to bottom end, back to top end.
I thought it was torque acceleration to the ground.
By the X times Y niner.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Science.
Science. All right, I'm gonna go buff this piece up so I can assemble the air box for the last and final time. So get her all cleaned up a little better and seal it up. We'll be well on our way. What's wrong? What don't fit? With the flywheel weight? What'd you decide, Jed?
Flywheel weight don't fit with the new cover.
Oh, crap.
She will rub.
Should we build us a plate? Spacer? Like out of like some 1/4 or 3/16 aluminum? Cause it just needs to be back, right?
Yeah, it just needs to be spaced out because if not, I think it's hitting right here. So the difference, I'm sure it'd work with a factory cover because our dish is different.
Yeah.
Stupid aftermarket parts.
Dang it. Aftermarket parts need to talk to each other a little better before they design stuff, right?
Yeah.
We can trim us out a spacer.
Let me make sure. I think I got 2 gaskets.
That's part of the custom bike building, I guess. We'll let you know when we figure out what we're gonna do to fix that. All right, so we came up with a plan for the flywheel cover. We found a buddy here in town that's got some 3/16 aluminum plate. We're gonna go snag it. But look who else we found. Hey! There goes Jacer. But while we're out and about, Jed got a call from the guy that is gonna buy his KX500 roller. So we're gonna go meet him too. I don't know how any of these guys are gonna be on camera. They might be camera shy, so. But if they're not camera shy, we'll throw them on. But if they are, we'll punch them. Jay says we'll punch them. We won't punch them. We're gonna go get some parts and we'll be back to the shop shortly.
The problem is getting people out here.
Right, we're in the middle of nowhere.
Maybe we're in the center of the earth and everybody else is on the outskirts, Jed.
I'll tell you, I mean, I moved
think
up
that's
north, and I wish I never went up there. 'Cause I get stuck. All right.
All right, so this is Jake. He just bought this bike from Jed. This was the donor chassis for Jed's project.
Yep.
What are you gonna do with it, man?
We got a fully rebuilt motor. Gonna keep it with the stock frame. I'll probably take it out, powder coat the frame. But I'm gonna leave it mostly stock. I might do a little bit of suspension work, but I wanna keep it kind of close to original.
Cool.
Get her built up, throw a tarp over it, in 20 years, maybe put a for sale sign on it. We'll see.
There you go. As an investment.
Yeah, it absolutely is.
It's like a fine
Not a bad idea right there.
They're getting hard to come by.
Yes,
so
they are.
This one's in great shape. Had to come to Kanab to get it, but I think it's gonna be worth it when we're done.
Cool. Awesome. We're excited to see it done.
Cool.
Do you have an Instagram you want to let people follow on the build or anything?
No, I'm just a boring family guy. I'm
All right. All right. Fair enough.
cool on there.
Well, as he gets it done, he'll send pictures to Jed and we'll post them.
Cool. All right.
Okay, we made her back from going and stealing some aluminum from a buddy. Jed's got the about got the case bolted on this thing, and we'll plunk a hole in the back of it, and then we'll get the router out and build us a spacer.
With hearing protection and eyeglasses.
Yes,
Safety glasses.
with eye protection, hearing protection, and all proper PPEs.
OSHA approved. I didn't get hard hats.
What about steel-toed shoes?
I got that one.
Yeah,
Jace is good on the steel toes. I am not.
just pretend.
So
Yeah.
between all three of us, we got all the proper
That's right.
PPE.
That's right. What?
I can't hear.
I can't either. I guess. All right, we're safe.
It's a chip holder.
Where's your salsa now?
Look at that.
Well, okay. We made a mess again.
There's a little one.
I don't care what anybody says though. That's the most efficient way to cut aluminum plate into a certain shape.
Sure works good. I mean, unless we have like a plasma table or
Well,
a
yeah.
water jet.
Yeah.
Water jet would be ideal, but
Yeah, but for the price of that versus a $20 bit. Cool. Now we get to clean up glitter again. Trying to find the right combination there, Jed.
Oh, as bad enough as it was with just one gasket. Now it's like times 3.
Do you need more fingers?
Yeah.
How can I help you there, sir?
Just watch.
Look, I'm helping. See, I'm holding it. I'm helping. Dun, dun, dun. Drum roll. Think it's gonna work.
2 bolts in.
That's all we need. If it's like Jace's Flex over there, it's all she's got in it anyways.
2 bolts on the whole bike.
That's right. Oh yeah. She's money. I like it. I got the airbox all sealed up, put on, carburetors installed, electrons looking real nice in there. And Jed went ahead and put the new spacer in there. Turned out awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and bolt some radiators on this thing, see if we can get some coolant lines put on this old girl. Man, there's a lot of parts and pieces on this thing.
Should be done by now.
Well, it should be, but it's not gonna. Safety first, Jed. Torque to factory specs. Our factory.
Exactly.
I got a question for you.
What's up?
Since you have to pull the coil wire off of your old green Ford to shut it off, have you been shocked yet?
Not yet.
Not yet? Dang.
Been pulling it off with my Leatherman.
Oh, okay. You chicken.
I know better.
Jace, what are you doing?
I am putting spray foam over my crank so it doesn't get dinged in the shipping process to Lindsay Machine Racing.
So this, how do you tell you're a construction guy without saying you're a construction guy?
Don't worry about it.
Hey, if it works, right?
Hey, listen.
Hey, Dave's gonna open up this box and be like, seriously?
I know, he's probably gonna be pissed.
Sorry, Dave.
He's gonna charge me more money.
I tried to raise him right. It
This
didn't.
was his idea.
Shut up. Ooh. Looking good, Jed. I like it.
Real nice. Try a wheelie.
A wheelie?
A wheelie?
A wheelie and do a wheelie and peel out?
Yeah, do burnout.
Like it. Well, Jed, what do you think?
Well, it's starting to look like a motorcycle again.
Yes, it is. It's been a long day.
Been a long day.
Holy cow, we got a lot of stuff done on this.
A lot.
We bolted, I don't know how many parts on this thing, but it's been a lot. And we've done a lot of cleaning and, you know, just bolting parts on. It's taken a lot of time, but I think we're gonna call her an evening and we will see you on the next one. Well, we got a ton of work on Jed's bike done today. I think next week we will have the ignition done on it, and we'll do the fork seals, and we're gonna start bolting plastics on this thing. So if you guys wanna see this thing finished up, make sure you are subscribed and you like, turn on the notification. And as always, I appreciate all you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.